So welcome, this is Cambridge CAIE 0607, paper 21, October, November 2020, paper 2. So the first question, 1 plus 2 minus 3 times 4. So first what we are supposed to do, add 1 plus 2 which is 3 and 3 times 4 is 12, 3 minus 12 which is negative 9. So answer is negative 9. Next one is negative 48 divided by negative 8. We can see that negative negative cancels. 8 times 1, 8 times 6. So answer is 6. The next question, question number 3. We can see that x and x gets cancels. Then 5 times 1, 5 times 3. Then again 4 times 1, 4 times 3. So answer is going to be 1 upon 9. Now for the next question, so what we are going to do, divide by negative 3 on both sides. So 1 minus 4x equals to 9 divided by negative 3 is negative 3. Negative 4x equals to negative 3, negative 1. Negative 4x equals to negative 4. Divide by negative 4 on both sides. So x is going to be 1. Question number 5. Divide 120 in the ratio of 3 is to 5. So 120 times 3 upon 3 plus 5 and 120 times 5 upon 3 plus 5. So which is 120 times 3 upon 8. Then 8 times 1, 8 times 15. 15 times 3 is 45. So the first part is 45. This one will be obviously it will be 120 minus 45. You can simplify that, or else directly it will be 120 minus 45, which will be 75. So answer is 45 and 75. Next, question number 6. The mean of 5 numbers is 12. The mean of 3 of these numbers is 8. Find the mean of the other 2 numbers. Mean of 5 numbers means sum of 5 numbers divided by 5 equals to 12. So what will be sum of 5 numbers? Sum of 5 numbers will be 5 times 12, which is 60. Similarly, mean of 3 numbers is 8. Sum of 3 numbers divided by 3 equals to 8. So what will be sum of 3 numbers? Sum of 3 numbers will be 3 times 8, which is 24. So now when I subtract these both, sum of 5 numbers minus sum of 3 numbers will give me sum of 2 numbers. Sum of 2 numbers is going to be 60 minus 24, which is nothing but what? 36. So the mean of these two numbers will be 36 divided by 2, which is 18. Question number 7. Y is inversely varies as x. So y is proportional to 1 upon x. So y equals to k upon x. Now x is 3, y is 16. So 16 equals to k upon 3, k equals to 48. So what do I get it on? Y equals to 48 upon x. Now he gave the value of y. Y value is how much? 6. So 6 equals to 48 upon x. 6x equals to 48. X equals to 48 upon 6, which is nothing but how much? 8. Question number 7. Find a minus 3b. A is negative 4, negative 3, minus 3 times b is 2, negative 1. So it becomes negative 4, negative 3, minus multiply with 3, 6, negative 3. Then it becomes negative 4, negative 6, negative 3, negative of negative is positive 3. So what does that becomes now? Negative 10 and 0. What is the magnitude of this one? So magnitude will be square root of minus 4 whole square plus minus 3 whole square, which is going to be 16 plus 9, which is going to be square root of 25, which is 5. Question number 9. The shop has a sale and all prices are reduced by 20%. The original price. So original price and sale price. OP means original price, SP means sale price. if original price is 100, it is reducing by 20%, so sale price will be 80. Now original price is 16. What is going to be the sale price? 60 times 18 divided by 100. Simplify that one. It should be equals to, what is this? 1280 divided by 100, which is 12.80. The sale price is for dress is 40. What is the original price? Same again, original price, sale price. Original price is 100, sale price is 80. Now the sale price is 40. What is the original price? 40 times 100 divided by 80. So 40 times 1, 40 times 2, 100 by 2 is 50. Factorize. 8 can be written as 2 times 4x and 14 can be written as 2 times 7. So 2 common, it becomes 4x plus 7. So 2 bracket 4x plus 7 is going to be the answer. 8ax squared 6bx cubed. 8 can be written as 2 times 2 times 2 times a times x squared x times x. 6 can be written as 2 times 3 times b times x times x times x. Now what is common in all? We can see that 2 and 2 2 x's are there, and that's it. So 2x squared is common. What am I left over with? I'm left over with 4a, and I'm left over with 3bx. 4a minus 3bx. So my answer is going to be 2x squared times 4a minus 3bx. Now part C, factorize it. So from the first two terms, in the similar way, I'm going to take 3a common. So it's going to be 2x plus 3y. And from the last two terms, I'm going to take negative 4b common. It's going to be same, 2x plus 3y. So 2x plus 3y, 2x plus 3y common. So what am I left over with? 3a minus 4b. Now 4 power minus 3 by 2, 4 is 2 square, whole power minus 3 upon 2. We can take 2 and 2 cancels. I'm left over with 2 power minus 3. 2 power minus 3 is 1 upon 2 cube. 1 upon 2 cube is 1 upon 8. So answer is 1 upon 8. Now question number 12. The table shows the marks of 80 students in examination. On the grid below, draw a cumulative frequency curve. So for cumulative frequency, first of all, we have to find it out the cumulative frequency. 8 plus 16 is 24. Then 24 plus 25 is 49. 49 plus 17 is 66. And 66 plus 14 is 80. So I got the cumulative frequency. So what should I be doing it out? Once I get the cumulative frequency, I am going to plot it out in the cumulative frequency graph. So for 0, it is 0. For 10, it is 8. So let us take for 0, it is 0. For 10, it is 8. There are 5 lines, and there are 5 lines and the gap is 10. So each line has to be 2. 2, 4, 6, 8, and so on. So for 0, it is 0. Each line is 2. And for 10, it is 8. For 15, it is 24. 15, it is 24. For 20, it is 49. And for 30, it is 66. And for 50, it is 80. So approximately a graph joining all the points. This is going to be the cumulative frequency graph. Use your graph to estimate the median. So how many students are there? 80 students. So median is going to be nothing but what? 80 divided by 2. 80 divided by 2, which is 40. So from 40, draw a line, hit the graph, and drop it down. So what is that? From 40, draw a line, check is it hitting the graph? Yes. Then from there, drop it down. So it is almost on 18. So the median is going to be 18. Now question number 13. A is a point 1 comma 7 and B is a point 4 comma 1. Find the equation of the perpendicular bisector of AB. So for finding the perpendicular bisector of AB, first of all I have to find gradient of AB. Gradient of AB. What is gradient of AB? y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. So the first point is x1 y1. The second point is x2 y2. So 1 minus 7 upon 4 minus 1, which is minus 6 upon 3, which is negative 2. This is the gradient of AB. So perpendicular gradient of AB. So perpendicular gradient. Perpendicular gradient will be reciprocal and change the symbol, which is 1 upon 2. So my equation will become y equals to 1 upon 2x plus c. Now the perpendicular bisector should be always passing through the midpoint. So I have to find the midpoint. So midpoint of AB. Midpoint of AB. Midpoint formula x1 plus x2 upon 2 comma y1 plus y2 upon 2. So 1 plus 4 upon 2, 7 plus 1 upon 2. 1 plus 4 upon 2, 7 plus 1 upon 2. So which is 2.5 comma 4. Now plug in the 2.5 comma 4 in the equation. So 4 equals to 1 upon 2 times 2.5 means 5 upon 2 plus c. So c will be equals to 4 minus 5 upon 4. So c equals to 16 minus 5 upon 4. C equals to 11 upon 4. So what should be the equation? Y equals to 1 upon 2x plus 11 upon 4. So that is question number 13. So I think so that completes the paper. See you in the next paper. Bye.